Best communication skill tricks. Communication skill is only skill where you can achieve whatever in your life. Reality is that there are so many successful person in the life. Do you know what is the similarities between all the successful person? They have communication skill. So you should have to learn this precious skill. If you are hesitant to speaking with stranger, if you are afraid to deal with someone else, if you want to make more friends, if you want to convince somebody, so this video is totally for you. So watch it till the end. Don't be a skip because half knowledge is dangerous for health. So without any further delay, let's get started. Point number 1, speak less and listen more. You might probably thinking, hey highest thinker, what are you saying? Speak less? So my dear friend, it's a very important point to be a good communicator. You can check the interviews of the successful person. You will notice one thing. He first listen properly the question, patiently, and then reply it. God gifted you two ears and one mouth. Always follow it. Because whenever other person talk to you and you just interrupt in the middle of the topic, despite of being your consent is valuable, but it's totally irritated response from the other person, and it's not a good thing for a good communicator. Everybody wants other persons to listen him properly. Listening habit is always good for yourself because whenever you listen properly other person, then it seems to be like a good conversation. Another person thought his own importance and they thought on his mind, wow, that's a great person. So always listen properly and being interested on other person. Point number 2, never forget names. It also very important point. People didn't follow it. As per the author Dale Carnegie, he said that the name is the only thing which people most like rather than other name. Yes, that work because name is the only thing where people value their own importance because your parents have kept your name only so that you have some identity. So next time whenever you meet somebody, always call him by his name. Never say you and yours, these types of words. Always say his names because it's a sign of importance and the respect. He or she thought in his mind, wow, this person remember my name. That's amazing. Even the one of the famous author Dale Carnegie insists this rule. Always call people on their names. Point number 3, make the eye contact. It's a very crucial point to maintain the eye contact during the communication. Isn't it awkward while you're talking with somebody and you look upward and downward and here and there due to the shyness? So don't be shy, always make the eye contact with the other person eye because eye contact seems the how this person is confident. It looks like you are curious to listen to the other person. Eye contact creates the credibility between the two persons. Always follow it. It's a very important to maintain eye contact during the communication. So friends, always remember the point I discussed. I read this point from the How to Win Friends and Influence People, which is written by one of the greatest American author Dale Carnegie. I highly recommended all of you if you really achieve the mastery in the communication skill. So you should have to read this book because there was a time I used to a shy type guy, didn't have a courage to talk with a strange person, but after reading this book my confidence is very high level. Now I can easily talk with a stranger and I have seen the lots of changes on myself. If you are also a shy guy then you should have to read this book. So never ever forget these rules of how to win friends and influence people. So if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and share with your friends. I always make the video related to motivation and summary of the author books. You can also suggest me to which topic I should make a video. So tata, bye bye, have a good day, Jai Hind.